Who is presenting today? कौन प्रेजेंट? समृद्धि आप कर दो, आप तो कह रहे थे ना करना चाहते हो।
यस मैम।
करो। अच्छा आज थोड़ा चेंज हो गया, आज हो गया 10-5-5, कल तो 30 था ना, आज हो गया 30। 10 कंटेंट में, 5 प्रेजेंटेशन में, 5 एपिस्टेमिक नॉलेज में, तो हो गया तुम्हारा 20 मार्क्स। समृद्धि शुरू करो। ये अनमोल सिंह गुर्जर कौन है? अनमोल सिंह गुर्जर, उधर अपियर हो मेरे सामने।
मैम
हाँ समृद्धि में देख रही हूँ बेटा।
मैम स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
हाँ दिख रहा है, और समृद्धि का नाम ही नहीं है इधर। समृद्धि आपका नाम किसके बाद आता है?
मैम समृद्धि साहू है।
नहीं, तुम्हारे पहले कौन है, बाद में कौन है?
मैम व्हाट?
तुम्हारे नाम के पहले कौन है, बाद में कौन है?
मैम बाद में तो संजय धाकड़ है।
अच्छा मैं लिख नहीं पाई, सब मेरा सिस्टम खराब हो जाएगा। तुम्हारे क्लास का लिस्ट ही नहीं थी मेरे पास। अच्छा प्रिंस मीना, प्रिंस के बाद कौन है?
मैम प्रियंका।
ओके, प्रियंका के बाद?
मैम राज।
राज। नेक्स्ट राज के बाद?
ऋषिका।
वो ऋषिका कहाँ है, वो नीनांसा कहाँ है, वो लोग प्रेजेंट नहीं कर रहे ऋषिका के बाद?
मैम मैं समृद्धि के बाद प्रेजेंट कर सकती हूँ।
ऋषिका के बाद? समृद्धि मुझे बता, तू ही बता सकते हो, कोई नहीं बता सकता।
यस मैम।
ऋषिका
मैम
के बाद?
ऋषिका के बाद समृद्धि है।
मैम
ये कौन चिल्ला रहा है इतना ज्यादा नहाते नहाते? हाँ समृद्धि आप करो, आपका टॉपिक क्या है?
मैम टाइप्स ऑफ रिसोर्सेज। Om Shri Sai Ram. My name is Samriddhi Sahu and my topic is types of resources. Resources are generally classified into these three resources. First, natural resources. Second, human-made resources. And third, human resources. So first we study about natural resources. Natural resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much modification are called natural resources. Example, air, water, soils, and mineral. Natural resources can be broadly categorized into first, renewable. Renewable resources are those that are present in
जजेस अंकुश यादव और सर्वज्ञ, और कौन है? और कौन है? नियति कहाँ गई?
नियति मैम।
ओके चहित आ गया, ठीक है, तीनों है ना।
that are present
यस मैम।
that are present in ultimate quantity in nature or those that will replace themselves over time. These resources are not likely to be exhausted by human activities. As they are ultimated, they are also called inexhaustible resources. Example, solar energy and wind energy. Second, non-renewable resources. Non-renewable resources are those which have unlimited stock. Once the stocks are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to be renewed. Since this period is much more than human spans, such resources are considered as non-renewable resources. Example, coal, petroleum, natural gas, etc. Natural resources are classified into different groups depending upon their level of development and use organ, stocks and distribution. On the basis of their development and use resources can be classified into two groups. First, actual resources. Actual resources are those resources whose quantity is known. Potential resources. Potential resources are those resources whose entire quantity may not be used at present. These resources could be used in future. Based on their organ, resources can be abiotic and biotic. First, abiotic resources. Abiotic resources are non-living. Example, soils, rocks, minerals, and etc. Biotic resources. Biotic resources are living resources. Example, plants, animals, and etc. On the basis of distribution, resources can be ubiquitous or localized. Resources that are found everywhere, like the air we breathe, are ubiquitous. But those which are found only in certain places are localized, like copper and iron ore. Second, human-made resources. When a human beings are use any natural stuff to make something new that provide utility and value to our life, it is called human-made resources. People use natural resources to make buildings, bridge, roads, machinery, and vehicles, which are known as human-made resources. Example of human-made resources: roads, cars, bridge, buildings. Human resources. People can make the best use of nature to create more resources. When they have the knowledge, skill, the technology to do so, that is why human beings are a special resources. People are human resources. Thank you.
हो गया
Yes, ma'am.
वीडियो?
No, ma'am, वीडियो नहीं है.
तो पहले दिखाया था ना. ओके जजेस बोलो, मार्क करो.
मैम 10।
मैम कंटेंट के 10।
पूरा बोलो.
मैम 10-5-5।
10-5-5।
मैम 10
ओके.
5।
और कौन अभी कह रहा था कि प्रेजेंट करेगा? अमृति के बाद कौन प्रेजेंट करेगा?
मैम नीलांश
मैम नीलांश।
मैम संजय।
एक मिनट रुक जाओ. ये ऑल दी चिल्ड्रन जिनका नाम ले रही हूँ. नीलांशी तुम प्रिपरेशन करो, तब तक मैं नाम पढ़ती हूँ. अनमोल सिंह गुर्जर इज इन द क्लास. अरमान सिवरे, ब्रिजेश लोधा, गगन मीना. इन जिन बच्चों का मैंने नाम लिया, ये बच्चे ट्यूसडे को, मतलब जब स्कूल खुलेगा ट्यूसडे, दे विल प्रेजेंट. इफ दे डू नॉट प्रेजेंट दैट डे, they will not get another chance to present. I will give 0 to them. गीतिका साहू, करण कुमार, करुणा एस तोमर, कृतिका चौहान, all these girls are there. कोई भी है आप में से इधर क्लास में?
यस मैम।
कौन बोला यस मैडम?
कृतिका।
कृतिका चौहान प्रेजेंट ऑन ट्यूसडे.
ओके मैम।
और ऋषभ सेन तो नहीं था. हाँ, ये कौन है? ये वो चश्मा वाला. मैं इतना बात नहीं कर सकती आपसे. कोई भी हो, तुम कोई हो, मुझे ट्यूसडे को करने में मैं इतने आप लोगों का नाम, उनके अलावा भी आप लोग रेडी होकर आ सकते हो टू प्रेजेंट ऑन 17. इज दैट क्लियर टू यू? अगर आप नहीं आते ट्यूसडे को, आई विल गिव यू सिंपल 0 एंड यू कैन नॉट क्राई फॉर इट. मैम ओ मैम ओ मैम, नो, आई विल नॉट लिसन एनीथिंग. इट इज नॉट योर प्लेजर दैट यू कैन डू. तुमको हॉलीडे चाहिए, तुमको मौज करना, तुमको घर में रहना, नॉट पॉसिबल. ओनली पॉसिबल इज 0. नाउ नीनांसा आप प्रेजेंट करो।
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत हो गया तुम्हारा। ये बिल्कुल पढ़ने लिखने वाले नहीं, ब्रिजेश लोधा तो है ही नहीं कोई।
Ma'am, is it presenting?
हाँ, Jessica, are you ready?
Om Shri Sai Ram. My name is Ninansha Sharma and my topic is types of farming. So, what is farming? Farming is the act or process of working the ground, planting seeds, and growing edible plants. You can also describe raising animal for milk and meat as farming. Types of farming: subsistence farming and commercial farming. Subsistence farming. This type of farming is practiced to meet the need of a farmer's family. Low level of technology and household labor are used to produce on small output. Subsistence farming can be classified as intensive subsistence farming and primitive subsistence farming. Intensive subsistence farming. In intensive subsistence agriculture, the farmer cultivate a small plot of land using simple tools and more labor. Climate with large number of days with sunshine and fertile soil permit growing of more than one crop annually on the same plot. Agriculture is prevalent in the thickly populated areas of the monsoon region of South or Southeast and East Asia. Primitive subsistence agriculture. It includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation. Shifting cultivation is also known as slash and burn agriculture because this type of farming is practiced in thickly forested areas. In this type of farming, a plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ash are then mixed with the soil and crop like maize, yam, potatoes, and cassava are grown after the soil loses its fertility. The land is abandoned and the cultivation moves to a new plot. Nomadic herding. In this type of farming, herderman move from place to place with their animals for food and water. Along defined routes, this type of movement arises in response to climatic con- contra- constraint and terrain. This is practiced in semi-arid and arid region and some other parts of India like Jammu and Kashmir. Commercial farming. In
What is
commercial
the topic?
In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for
What is
sale.
the topic, नीनांसा?
Yes, ma'am.
टॉपिक क्या है?
Types of farming.
ओके।
In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. Most of the work is done by machines. Commercial farming includes commercial grain farming, mixed farming, and plantation agriculture. Commercial grain farming. Crops are grown for commercial purposes. This these areas are sparsely populated with a large farm spreading over hundred of hectares. Severe winter restricts the growing season and only a single crop can be grown. This farming is practiced in temperate grassland of North America, Europe, and Asia. Mixed farming. In mixed farming, the land is used for growing food and fodder crops and rearing livestock. It is practiced in Europe, Eastern USA, Argentina, Southeast Australia, New Zealand, and South Africa. Plantation. In this type of farming, large amount of labor and capital are required. The produce may be the produce may be processed processed of the farm itself or it nearby factories. The development of a transport network is thus essential for such farming. Major plantations are found in the tropical region of the world. Rubber is in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. Ma'am, is it audible?
ऑडिबल नहीं है, विजिबल है.
Yes.
Commercial.
Yes.
Subsistence type of farming is practiced to meet the needs of the farmer's family. It can be further classified as primitive subsistence farming and intensive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence farming. Primitive subsistence agriculture is practiced on small patches of land with the help of primitive tools like hoe, dhow, and digging sticks, and family or community labor. This type of farming depends upon monsoon, natural fertility of the soil, and suitability of other environmental conditions for the crops grown. It includes shifting cultivation and nomadic herding. Shifting cultivation. It is a slash and burn agriculture. Farmers clear a patch of land and produce food crops to sustain their family. When the soil fertility decreases, the farmers shift and clear a fresh patch of land for cultivation. It is known by different names in different parts of the country. It is chewing in northeastern states like Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram, and Nagaland, Tamlau in Manipur, Deepa in Bastar district of Chhattisgarh, Bivar or Dahiya in Madhya Pradesh, Kodu or Pinda in Andhra Pradesh, Pamadadi or Kuman or Brinda in Orissa, Kumari in Western Ghats, Walre or Waltre in southeastern Rajasthan, Hill in the and Guruva in Jharkhand. Nomadic herding is practiced in some parts of India, like Rajasthan and Jammu and Kashmir. In this type of farming, herdsmen move from place to place with their animals for water and water along defined routes. This type of movement arises in response to climatic constraints in terrain. Sheep, camel, yak, and goats are most commonly reared. Intensive subsistence farming. It is practiced in areas of high population density. It is labor-intensive farming. Biochemical input and irrigation are used for obtaining higher production.
There is another video.
Yes.
Commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in the market. Modern inputs such as high-yielding variety, HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, insecticides and pesticides are used to obtain higher productivity. Plantation. In this type of farming, a single crop is grown on a large area. It covers large tracts of land using capital-intensive input with the help of migrant laborers. In India, tea, coffee, rubber, sugarcane, bananas, etc. are important plantation crops. It is market-oriented farming. Therefore, a well-developed network of transport and communication plays an important role in the development of plantations.
Thank you.
वेरी गुड, बोलो भाई, जज लो।
Ma'am 1055.
1055.
ओके, नेक्स्ट कौन कर रहा प्रेजेंट?
मैम मैं आए प्रखर।
मैम संजय। मैम
सुनने
संजय।
वाली कोई बात नहीं होगी।
मैम मैं आए।
प्रखर मोदी, यस, प्रखर
मैम
मोदी।
मैं आई मैम।
यस मैम। मैम
कौन है?
मैम मैं आए प्रेजेंट।
प्रखर
मैम संजय।
स्क्रीन अननो, संजय धाकड़ इसके बाद।
ओके मैम।
मैम मैं आए प्रेजेंट। मैं आए प्रेजेंट।
यस, मैंने 100 बार बोल दिया, कितनी बार बोलूं? डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, करो, इसी का ही हो पाएगा सर। आई एम वेरी ईगर टू टेक योर प्रेजेंटेशन, क्योंकि काम खत्म करना है, ओरल चालू करना। ओरल खाली 5 लोगों का हुआ है, सर्व जो फेल हो रहा है हिस्ट्री में। बार बार चक्कर में ना टाइम लेट हो गया। अब जो जो प्रेजेंट करोगे, ए क्या टॉपिक, क्या प्रकार? प्रखर, व्हाट इज योर टॉपिक? बोल ही नहीं रहा है। प्रखर, प्रखर, आर यू लिसनिंग मी?
यस मैम। यस मैम।
Am I audible? What
Yes,
is your,
ma'am.
what is your topic?
मैम my topic is wind energy.
Okay.
Om Shri Sai Ram. I am Prakhar Modi and today I am going to show you PPT on wind energy. What is wind energy? Wind energy or wind refers to the process of creating electricity using the wind. Modern wind turbines are used to capture kinetic energy from the wind and generate electricity. So now we will see that how windmills work. So as you can see in this diagram, this is the diagram of wind energy. Windmill. It contains a lot of parts such as hub, main shaft, gearbox, brake, generator, etc. So this is a hub and it connects the blades of windmill. Then it is connected to the main shaft, which rotates at the speed of 7 to 12 RPM, that is revolution per minute. Then we know that to produce electricity, we need to rotate the main shaft, or we can say low speed shaft fast. That's why we have a gearbox which rotate the low speed shaft at the speed of 100. Then it is connected to the brake, and after that there is a high speed shaft which rotate at the speed of 1500 revolution per minute. Then the kinetic energy goes to the generator where it finally converted into electricity. Now, as you can see in this another diagram, this is the diagram of windmill, and here when the kinetic energy is converted into electricity, is goes from here and went to the substation, and from substation it provided to the people's house. Now we will see the advantages and disadvantages of wind energy. So the advantages of wind energy are the wind energy is non-polluting, but it produces less pollution. It is low cost production of electricity, but windmills are costly to set up. It is safe and clean, but it disturbs radio and TV reception. Then we will see a video about the history of windmill.
Wind is a form of solar energy. The terms wind energy
Ma'am, is it the video audible?
describe the
Ma'am, is the video is audible?
वीडियो पहले हुआ, अभी नहीं ऑडिबल। अभी तुमने
process by which the wind is used to generate electricity. Wind turbines convert the kinetic energy in the wind into mechanical power. The use of wind power for the benefit of humanity has been around for thousands of years. The development of wind turbines came into existence around the 1st century AD when a Greek engineer invented the wind wheel. This model was developed by the Greek inventor Heron of Alexandria. There are many debates regarding the inventor of the first windmill. This continued for more than 1,800 years until in 1887 the first wind turbine was invented by Professor James Blythe and was used for producing electricity. The first electricity generating wind was invented in 1888 in Cleveland, Ohio by Charles F. Wright. The turbine's diameter was 17 meters 50 feet. It had 140 wood, and it generated about 12 kilowatt kW of power. By 1900, nearly 2,500 windmills with a collective capability of 30 megawatt were used throughout Denmark. 3 years later, the Society of Wind Electricity over the next 100 years, turbines have developed radically, with countries like USA and China holding the largest wind power.
Now we will see another video on
wind as a form
how the windmill works.
How does a wind turbine work? You've probably seen a wind farm, but do you know how wind energy? We are going to show you how a turbine works. A wind turbine has a wind vane at the top. Its direction to rotate on the blades also rotate on their axis for maximum resistance. Wind force energy can spin the blade. These are designed to fully capture. They can be as long as 60 meters each and are made of very light and resistant materials for ease of movement. This is why they can use energy even with very light winds, starting from about 11 kilometers per hour. Very strong winds, about 90 kilometers per hour, at least in the feathered turbine, safety. Which is coupled to the low-speed shaft. The low-speed shaft is hidden this way because it spins at the same speed and 12 revolutions per minute. To produce electricity, it is necessary to increase the turning speed at the low speed. That is the mission of the gearbox. Over 100 times and transfers it to the high-speed shaft. The high-speed shaft that rotates at up to 1,500 revolutions per minute is connected to a generator. The generator converts the kinetic energy into electricity, a source of energy that is easier to transport and use. The electricity produced in the generator from the tower to the base. There, a transformer raises the voltage from each turbine, alternating here, the voltage is again into the power grid and transferred. This is how we use the wind to light cities, hospitals, or operate our household appliances in a clean and sustainable way.
Thank you.
मार्क दो
मैम 1055
I'm 1055.
वो तो होना ही था. Who else is presenting now? संजय धाकड़.
I'm Rishika.
नहीं 10 मिनट बच्चे के करो 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 करो.
ओके मैम अभी करता हूँ.
ऋषिका कर रही ऋषिका. और ऋषिका अभी 10 ही मिनट बचे हैं.
तो फिर मैम मैं ट्यूसडे को कर दूंगी.
शुरू तो करो, शुरू करो. वो तो 10 मिनट आगे ले लेंगे. तुम्हारा नाम ऋषिका ऋषिका ना?
यस मैम.
तो वो ऋषिका काय को लिखा है?
मैम मेरे स्कूल में सरनेम नहीं लिखा हुआ है इसलिए।
वही नहीं, जो लिखा हुआ हम तो उसी लिखा लिखते हैं।
मैम इज इट प्रेजेंटिंग?
Yes, yes, it is visible. मोबाइल में तो दिक्कत आता है। देखो कितना अच्छा प्रखर ने प्रेजेंटेशन किया, नीनांशा ने किया, बहुत बढ़िया। एक बार भी रुका नहीं। मार्क्स तो आप लोग दे ही रहे हो।
My topic is solar energy. What is solar energy? Solar power is energy from the sun that is converted into thermal or electrical energy. How solar energy help is to generate electricity. Solar energy trapped from the sun can be used in solar cells to produce electricity. Many of these cells are joined into solar panels to generate power for heating and lighting purpose. Advantages and disadvantages of solar energy are: advantages: it is inexhaustible and non-polluting. Disadvantages of solar energy is: it is expensive, it is also diffuse source, so it gets wasted. This is a solar panel. Who invented solar power? Edmond Becquerel invented the solar power. Edmond Becquerel is also known as father of solar panel.
सेवेंथ बी के बच्चे लोग कर दे। सबसे लास्ट में जाऊंगी सर टीचरों में। अब ठीक हो नहीं हो क्या कर सकते। नाइन्थ बी के सेवेंथ बी के स्टूडेंट्स का आवाज नहीं बेटा, कट रहा है। अटक रहा है, अटक रहा है।
मैम क्या आवाज अच्छे से नहीं आ रही है?
बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है, कट 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 कर रहा है। नहीं आ रही आवाज तुम्हारा, खाली बहुत अच्छा हुआ आ रहा है, पिक्चर्स आ रहा है। आवाज नहीं बेटा, बिल्कुल आवाज नहीं।
ऋषिका हेडफोन्स निकाल दो।
हेडफोन निकालो तो भी आएगा।
मैम क्या है? मैम मैंने तो हेडफोन निकाल दिया है बहुत पहले।
बिल्कुल साउंड नहीं है, जीरो है।
मैम मे आई प्रेजेंट अगेन?
करो।
मैम अब आ रही है क्या आवाज?
नहीं।
मैम बिल्कुल भी आवाज नहीं आ रही थी।
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा बेटा, बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा।
मैम मुझे तो आवाज आ रही थी पर
नहीं आ रहा भाई, मैं क्या करूं, नहीं आ रहा। तो तुम लोग को आ रहा है क्या?
नो मैम।
नहीं आ रहा बेटा, नहीं आ रहा।
नो मैम।
नहीं आ रही।
नो मैम।
नो मैम।
तो फिर मैम मैं अगली क्लास में फिर से एक बार ट्राई करूंगी।
चलो कोई बात नहीं, अभी 2 मिनट और है। कोशिश
मैम मे आई
करो।
प्रेजेंट? मैम सिर्फ 2 मिनट में हो
में
जाएगी।
क्या प्रेजेंट करोगे? रेडी रहो ट्यूसडे के लिए।
ओके मैम।
Who else? मैंने जिनका नाम लिया वो लोग प्रेजेंट है कि नहीं क्लास में? हैं? कौन करना चाह रहा था मैं थोड़ा सा प्रेजेंट करूं? संजय दाकर,
यस मैम।
शुरू तो करो।
ओके मैम, अभी करता हूँ। मैम प्रेजेंट हो रही है क्या?
ये मोबाइल दिख रहा है मुझे तो, स्क्रीन, ये स्क्रीन है तो ये दिख रहा है।
मैम स्क्रीन देख रही है?
हाँ, वेरी स्मॉल।
मैम देखा? मैम स्टार्ट हो गया?
अरे शुरू हुआ साई राम, तुम इतना
Sir, my topic is agricultural development.
संजय दाकर।
Agricultural development. What is agricultural development?
संजय आपका नाम
Agricultural
किसके पहले
development.
है?
मैम समृद्धि के बाद है।
अच्छा।
Agricultural development refers to effort made to increase farm production in order to meet the growing demand of increasing population. Agriculture can be developed in many ways such as increasing the crop area, the number of crops grown, improving irrigation facilities, third use of fertilizers and high yielding variety of seeds. Mechanism of agriculture is also another aspect of agriculture development. If the ultimate aim of agricultural development is to increase security. Ma'am, here is a video.
Yes.
आवाज आ रही है?
नहीं।
मैम आवाज क्या?
नो 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 नो।
मैम अब आ रही है?
नो। जो आवाज आ रही है उसमें कुछ सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है। बस आपका टाइम हो गया, आप लीव करिए। अभी इसको समझे, दोबारा को अच्छी तरह लाना है। समझे? Go on today on Tuesday, leave the class. On Tuesday, come prepare with the sound.
मैम
ठीक
आवाज
है?
नहीं आ रही?
बिल्कुल नहीं आ रहा है।
ओके मैम, मैं नेक्स्ट क्लास में ट्राई करूंगा।
अभी तो टाइम हो गया ना, अभी तो नहीं कर सकते।
ओके मैम।
आप सबको दिवाली, आप सबको हैप्पी दिवाली।
थैंक यू मैम।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Same to you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
शांति पाठ करें। शांति शांति शांति।
Saira, ma'am.
You can leave.
Sarah ma'am.